Hi guys, Chris here from USP Motorsports. Today we have a 2015 BMW M3 that we installed the Injen Evolution intake as well as the Burger Tuning JB4. I gotta say, both things paired together is definitely a great bang for the buck for this particular S55 engine. The JB4 offers really cool features for coming in at a price point that's very, very reasonable. There's about 8 different maps you can choose from. This particular car, since we just have an intake system in it and the JB4, we're not able to use some of the ones for ethanol fuel and also race gas, so we only utilize 3 different settings. So in stock form, this car makes some great horsepower. This car is rated at 425 at the crank from the factory. We saw 419 wheel horsepower. I gotta say, BMW highly underrates this car, and this thing is becoming, definitely an S55 engine is becoming one of my favorites out of all the platforms BMW offers. So we took the stock pass through on the JB4, made 419 wheels, then we went ahead and flashed it back to the stage 1, which is made for a car that doesn't have exhaust mods. Burger Tuning says 40 horsepower and 40 torque, and that's exactly what it got. Made about 440 wheel horsepower, about 470 torque, so pretty impressive numbers. We then went ahead and put it to the stage 2 flash. Now keep in mind, this car doesn't have exhaust, so the stage 2 flash we knew really wouldn't work. It's a little more aggressive than a stage 1. It saw some promising gains up to about 5,000 RPM. We saw about 50 wheel torque over the stage 1, but of course it kind of died out after that because it doesn't have the exhaust to let it flow. So definitely a really impressive platform, and the JB4 and the engine intake are great bang for the buck for this particular engine. So I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our video or check our website at uspmotorsports.com.